Hey, what's up guys? Today's video we are doing a review on DNA motoring headlights. Come on. Alright guys, so we're gonna show you how we installed them and what we did to prevent any haze or anything. We've had them, so we took off over a year on our truck in Idaho weather. So what we did, we added extra silicone all around where the lens meets the plastic, and it's all around, as you can see. And what we did, we connected, our positive was white on this and our negative was the silver. So we connected our white line to this turn signal right here, our outer one, and that's for this LED strip right here, the power to that. This is how we're running it. And then what we did, we grinded this up a little bit to get bare metal and untying this up just a tad bit, and then we crimped the wire, added this to the black wire, and we just stick it on there. It works really good. We've had it over a year, and we did this to both sides, and it functions properly. Let me put this back on. Alright, so I put the sombrero on because it's really hot and you really can't see me. But we're going to show you guys how they light up in the night as soon as it gets dark. I just wanted to do this video to show you guys how we wired them up and everything, and a quick little review. I highly recommend them. They are the DNA motoring headlights, and we got them with the clear reflectors right here. There's two options where you can have them with amber reflectors or not. I chose these. I think they make the truck look a lot cleaner. But yeah, that's it for this video. We're gonna be back. Hey, what's up guys? So this is a later footage of the DNA motoring headlights. As you can tell, they light up pretty good. They still take 9005 and 9006 headlamps, highs and lows. Everything still takes original equipment, so just bolt it on and go, besides that little wiring. But other than that, they're pretty solid. I give them a thumbs up. 208 Garage loves them. If you have any other products you want us to review, just let us know. This is the first video that we're producing, but we're gonna bring lots of more footage, car meets, truck meets, downtown, whatever we end up doing, we're gonna be recording it. We got these 3 trucks to take around. So that's it for today's video. You will see us next time.